Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to assemble your 2x2 Astra Tabletop Kit. It is a tool-free, very simple process, so let's get started. So first things first, lay out all the individual components on a clean flat surface, such as the table that you intend to display it on, and go ahead and start piecing together your frame. The individual pieces are conveniently labeled to guide you through the assembly process, so identify the bottom portion and line up the symbols and start making your connections. Go ahead and place the top portion on. And you can now apply your graphics. So the Astra frames utilize silicone edge graphics. So much like our other products, you start in one corner by folding that silicone edge into the channel. Do the corner diagonally opposite. Do the two remaining corners. And then fill out the rest of the frame. You're going to repeat this process for the other side. So with your graphics attached, you can go ahead and install the power supply. Take one end of your power cord and place it on the side of the frame. And then plug it into an outlet. And there you have it. You're now ready to utilize the marketing power of your 2x2 Astra Tabletop Kit.